Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will cover the best strategies to grow your followers on Bluesky Social. Whether you're new to the platform or want to enhance your presence, I have actionable tips for you. Let's get started. So, first impression matters. Choose a unique handle and an engaging profile picture that represents your brand or personality. Also, write a compelling bio with keywords that reflects your interests or expertise. This helps users know what to expect from your content. Then, include links to your other platforms if you're cross-promoting your Bluesky profile. Now, consistency is key to building an audience. Aim to post at least once daily to keep your profile active. Experiment with various content formats like text, images, or videos. Posts with visuals tend to attract more engagement. Share content that provides value, whether it's educational, entertaining, or thought-provoking. Bluesky supports hashtags, which makes your posts discoverable. Use at least 2 to 3 relevant hashtags to reach your target audience. Join trending discussions by using popular hashtags, but make sure your posts are relevant to the conversation. Also, create your own branded hashtag to encourage followers to engage with your content. Now, you also have to actively interact with other users by linking, commenting, and reposting their content. Genuine engagement helps build relationships. Participate in discussions and respond to comments on your posts. This shows that you value your audience input. Follow accounts that align with your interests and values. Many users will follow you back if they find your profile interesting. Now, you can also use Bluesky's custom feeds to curate your experience and join niche communities. Posting in these feeds increases your visibility to a specific audience. If you want to learn how to create custom feeds, you can go to our channel and search for how to create custom feeds because we have already created a video explaining how to create custom feeds. Now, for example, if you're into photography, share your work in a custom feed related to art or visuals. Now, you can also collaborate with other creators by sharing each other's posts or hosting joint discussions. You can also promote your Bluesky profile on other social platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok to bring in followers from outside the app. And that's it. By following these steps, you will grow your followers on Bluesky in no time. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.